All right, guys, how's it going? Cash, your present CEO of Cash International Luxury Real Estate, guys. This is the spot to come. Okay, this is at Blue Mall. This is the owner right here. This is the man. He's amazing. If you have a vehicle, guys, as you know, I'm a Porsche lover, and I bring my car over here to get it taken care of. These guys are amazing, and the prices are unbeatable. I think it's like under 12 bucks I get this thing done. I only do the outside, but it'd probably be like under 15 bucks if I did the whole thing. These guys are amazing. This place is, I come early in the morning because this place just gets jam-packed, all right? So you can see this guy, he has an amazing shop here. Have a look. So he's gonna get my car in here. He's gonna get it detailed up. You'll see all kinds of high-end vehicles here, always. Service is amazing. This guy, he is the man. He's the owner. So if you come by, tell him that Cash set you over. But he's phenomenal. I'll show you who the guy is. He's amazing. But yeah, this whole place is jam-packed. It's hard to even get in most of the time. They've got all sorts of services here. Up here, when you come, you can sit over there. You can sit up here, have a beer. You can relax and hang out. If you want the owner's number directly, you want to come see him, send me a message. I'll connect you with him. He's great. And guys, when I refer places like this, I'm not getting anything in return. I'm going to pay for that car wash. Okay, I don't even. For me, what I do and what I bring you guys is authentic and unique, and I want you guys to go somewhere because I am also going there, and because I approve of their service. And when I don't approve of their service, I tell you not to go. So these guys have been really good to me. They just do a great job to take care of my vehicles. Carlos comes here. Everybody comes here. And the location's great. It's super early in the morning, so Blue Mall is probably open for breakfast. But if you come here, relax, take about, half hour, 45 minutes. Come over here, you get a beer. You can see all their services they offer. All right, so they got all their services. Tons of stuff that they offer. There's their info actually, so you can look them up. So you got all sorts of options, and like with every car wash here in the DR, you've got your beer. All right, so yeah, this is the spot. Great spot to come. Please come and check them out, especially if you're in Cap Cana. This is the closest one to you. You can head over here, see them. They're going to take care of you. Now, where am I? Let me show you really quick. So here's Blue Mall. As I said, it's really early. I like to get here before this place gets slammed because it gets so busy you can't even get in. But here's Blue Mall, main entrance of Blue Mall. There's Alice, that's a spot, a store that you guys can visit as well. That has, it's like a department store all across the DR. Really good store, I actually like it. I haven't bought that much stuff there. I don't know why I don't think about it. So even on my furniture videos that I do, guys, this is not a bad option. It's actually a really good option. I'm surprised. I'm actually gonna go in here after I get done with this coffee because it is a great option. They have a lot of furniture in there. And for some odd reason, it slips our mind. But remember this one too, guys. This goes out to Kent and Jen. You guys were here buying furniture. This was an option too. Sorry, I apologize. This slipped my mind. But here you go. Blue Mall, not open yet. Probably open for breakfast. I'm gonna grab a coffee in there. Have something to eat while I wait for them to finish up over there. He said 45 minutes to me, so that's perfect. But guys, remember, he's right over there. He's the man. If you want to go see him, I'll send you his WhatsApp if he's okay with it, and I'll connect you directly with him. He is a gem. He's amazing. And guys, more importantly, he speaks English. Okay, he speaks English, so you can feel good about that. And he's there. He's the man. He's the boss. So, all right, guys, getting a car wash early on a Sunday here, right next to Cap Cana here at Blue Mall. And hope you guys are doing great. Hope you're having a great week. And please remember, season's coming. If you're coming down here, guys, make us your first phone call. Okay, we'll get you out. We're going to show you this country and the specific trifecta that we deliver you. We bring you a trifecta here in the East Coast, the trifecta on the East Coast, Cap Cana, Punta Cana, Vista Cana. We bring you that trifecta, but then we bring you the trifecta across the country. We got this entire area of Punta Cana, Cap Cana. We also got Piantini and Naco, which is amazing. We've got cool things happening there. I can't wait to share that info with you. And we also have the Las Terrenas. Okay, Las Terrenas, where it all began. All right, that's where we fell in love, and you will as well. All right, guys, love you, live. Talk to you soon. Hey guys, I lied, so I'm not going to let you go yet. So an important thing I want to share with you here is if you come to the mall early for breakfast, it's not open until, I believe, 10 o'clock, okay? But you can come here for breakfast if you want to go to the place I'm at right now. Let me show you. Got myself an amazing cappuccino. They open at 8, okay? So this is important. It is a spot called Brunch. Okay, here it is. It's a spot called Brunch. If you want to scan that, go ahead, you can see the menu. All right, this is a spot that used to be in Cap Cana, in the Cap Cana Village area, Las Canas, and they shifted, they moved to Blue Mall. I don't know the rhyme or reason for it. I'm assuming maybe a little more traffic, obviously, here at Blue Mall, but nevertheless, it was a great spot. It was a stable in Cap Cana for a long time, but now it's right here, right next to the Pizza Hut over here. Right over there, there's a Pizza Hut. You guys have seen I've done videos over at the market down over there. Behind me is Valentino, the ice cream shop. So you guys kind of have a rough idea. You can see the mall starting to open up. Lights are going on. But this place is open. It's got a really cool vibe. You can see a bunch of runners that come here. They're hanging out, they're eating, and, you know, getting their breakfast. And there's the sign for Brunch. And you can enter from the exterior. That's what makes it special. You can enter from the exterior. So you're able to, here's the mall. It's all closed, getting ready to open. Restrooms are right there on the left, by the way. But you can see, this is it. So it's a great spot. They've got all sorts of juices and coffees, and I'm getting an avocado toast right here. But dog friendly if you have a pet, and all sorts of treats and goodies. And you can see they got bar, they got drinks, all sorts of stuff here. They do a really good job. Look at all the beers they got. Here's, you know, the signage right here for Brunch. Here's your coffees. But the important thing to note here is you can enter from the outside, okay? I'll show you the hours of operation as well right here. So here's the outside. There it is. And they just opened, okay? So there's your times. Okay, you can see the times. 8 a.m. they open up. If you want to do reservations, they got a nice, cool little outdoor patio. The place will be jumping today. It'll be packed. And where am I getting my car washed? I'm getting it washed over there. Okay, that's the parking lot. So you can park right here. Head on in. It's a great option for breakfast. And the only one at the mall. So you get her at 8 a.m. 2 hours before you're able to come in here and grab a bite to eat, have some wine, have some food. Service is great. Cappuccino machine. Everything that you need is right here. So if you're coming here, make sure you come and check this out. Get your car washed. Come over here at 8 a.m. and grab yourself a coffee, grab yourself some breakfast, and then go pick up your car. Nice and easy. All right. Next part, guys, when the car's ready, I'm going to show you what that's all about. All right, guys, so about 40 minutes later, it's all done, shined up, ready to go. And you can see how good the work is. These guys do a great job. And as I said, this place is getting packed. You won't be able to get in here shortly. You're going to have a lot of high-end vehicles here, getting detailed, getting washed. Another Porsche showed up. And this whole thing will be just full of everything. So if you guys want to get your car washed, I highly recommend this spot right next to Blue Mall. Location's great. You can grab a beer in there, grab a coffee, you can sit on the patio, go over to Blue Mall, get some shopping done, and in the meantime, they'll make sure your car is sparkling. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hope it helped, and love where you live. Talk to you soon.